Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make iPhone easier for seniors. Here are some steps to make an iPhone easier for seniors to use. First, enable larger text. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, Larger Text, then use the slider to increase the font size. Turn on bold text. In Settings, go to Accessibility, Display and Text Size. Toggle bold text to make reading easier. Use Display Zoom. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Display Zoom, then tap View, then select Larger Text, and tap Done. Add important contacts to Favorites. Open the Phone app, Favorites tab, then tap the plus button, and add frequently called contacts for easy access. Simplify the home screen. Remove unused apps and keep only the essential ones. Long press an app, then tap Remove App, or by holding on the empty space, then tap on the minus icon. Once the app starts to jiggle, choose Remove from the home screen. Use voice control or Siri. Go to the Settings, Accessibility, Voice control to enable hands-free control, or set up Siri in the same accessibility section. Enable touch accommodations. In accessibility, go to Touch accommodations, toggle on touch accommodation, then adjust settings to make the screen respond better to touch. Increase ringtone and alert volume. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and use the slider to turn up the volume. Set up Emergency or SOS. Go to Settings, Emergency SOS, and enable Call with side button or Call with hold and release, and add emergency contacts under by tapping Set up emergency contacts and health. That's it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.